Really doesn't feel like it's sitting flush. I'm just checking it all out here. Maybe I'm just hallucinating. We'll find out as soon as we start putting these pieces all in. I thought I clipped that in. Gotta be careful with these little tiny connectors. Yeah, it doesn't want to sit flush. Like something's definitely stopping it. This is bizarre. Not sure what it is. I have to, well, let's leave that there. Let's just pull this out. I wonder what's causing that motherboard not to sit flush. Let's see what I've done wrong. There's a screw in there or something that's blocking my way? Camera? Not sitting right, maybe? There's nothing that is obvious for it not to sit flush in there. Huh. Try it again. There we go. Must have been the camera. Camera alignment is important, apparently. I wonder how many people would just cut that out on YouTube. Not me. Oh, darn it. Now I have to lift this thing back up again. There we go. It's one of those days, guys. I've been doing non-stop phones all day long. It's just so busy at the office. Getting so many Nexus 6s in and having trouble keeping up with them all. And then we got all these new phones to do. I got 3 videos to record. I got the Note 3 Neon that I've never done. And then I also have the 6 Edge Plus replacement, screen replacement that I've never done before. So I got to get all these videos up. And no time to record them. Okay, what's going on here now? The cables don't want to sit in right. Holy, guys, the cables have to be wrapped up and around the motherboard there. Yeah, this is just crazy phone. It's a little bit more difficult than the Galaxy 7. I would say this is definitely not for the amateur. always like running into little weird problems, so that way I can figure it out for you guys, so that way we can do it together and become profitable in repairing new phones like this. So, oh, by the way, you notice that I did not try I didn't try this display at all because I can see where it's cracked inside. And the LCD's all bleeding, so there's no point in testing it. Or I would have. Just getting all the good old screws in here. Okay, so now that our back piece is warmed up, should be able to stick on without any issues. So we're just going to literally just lay it right down here. Shouldn't come up or anything as long as you used enough heat on the back. It'll stay on there just fine. I don't know if this has any juice. It does. Okay, folks. Well, this has been the Galaxy 7 Edge. Definitely rate this one as on a difficulty of 7 out of 10. Maybe 8. Somewhere around there. But for glass repair, yeah, it's just not going to be possible without a machine, freezer machine. Looks like they're sitting pretty flush. Got some dents and dings here that's forcing it up a little bit. Near perfection. We'll wait until it starts up here to finish the video. Okay, it looks like it's functioning. I just can't get really past this. I don't know his passcode. Well, guys, this has been Dustin with TechMD. If you have any questions, let me know. You can always comment below. I usually respond to most comments pretty quick. And all the parts and materials should be linked below, except for that double red-sided tape. You just get that on eBay, guys. Okay? Thanks.